How do you open this shit? Oh, there you go. Try not to die. Dude, last time I almost fell out. I was shooting out of fucking 5 Series. I was like laying on the out of the trunk, and then this shit fell on me, dude. It landed on my head and shit. It's my second time using it, so still getting the hang of it. It's kind of like fucking thong and shit. Dope. What color is that?
Wrap.
Oh, it's wrap?
Miami blue, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it kind of looks like. We got Kashi's car here. Thing looks badass.
I brought a red one with me too, because I don't know which one will look. I don't know, man. I've never done this stupid stuff. But I'm doing. Last night I almost did a single.
Sounds real good. You're good. You guys are familiar with this spot if you've shot in Irvine. Very popular spot. Oh, there they are. Yeah, so they parked over here. Cool guys, we just made it to the meetup spot. Supposed to be over there on the other side, but security, as you know, was not letting it slide. But yeah, these are the lineup. Seems badass. Got the Wyzak. Jeez. Oh.
I'm a DJ.
Perfect lineup. Pretty dope shot getting all these GT3s together for a flyby. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get everybody to do a flyby, coming out from that curve over there, coming all the way down, and then going that way over there. Alright guys, so we made it to Irvine Spectrum, Target parking structure at the top. Got a nice little view of the bridge here. Some mountains in the background. And a bunch of GT3s and GT3 RSs. Just gonna have them set up. We're gonna do a little photo shoot, some video. Yeah, should be pretty fun. What you doing, man?
Let it up.
What's your goal right here? You're trying to like
formation.
a V?
Yeah. Going in.
Oh, okay.